In fact, here's just another ordinary day. No April rain, no flowers bloom, no wedding Saturday within the month of June. But what it is something true, made up of these three words that I will say to you. I just called to say I love you. I just called to say how much I care. I just called to say I love you, and I mean it from the bottom of my heart. No summer's high, no July, no August moonlight, one tender August night, no autumn breeze, no falling leaves, not even sound of birds who fly to summer skies. No Libra sun, no Halloween, no giving thanks to all the Christmas joy you bring. But what is the
Só do Jay.